There's one little fruit that I like. It's this Cape gooseberry. You can get about 100 grams in the shop, but they're costing, I don't know, perhaps about 2-3 euros for it, so they're really expensive. I've tried to grow them before. I thought I would try a new method of germinating seeds. So first of all, just take a Japanese knife and slice them into 4 different slices, and you can see in there those are the little seeds. Looking lovely. And I've seen people take tomatoes and just put slices of tomatoes into it. And the seeds inside the slices germinate. And you get lots of little plants. Well, I thought I would try with the Cape gooseberry to see if it would work. It's nice doing a balance thing. Get up, get up, get up, get in there! So that's it. Just putting those little slices into the earth and then see if they will germinate. I'll come back in about 2-3 weeks and see what we've got. So, Cape gooseberries. And there we have it. Cape gooseberries germinated from a slice of the fruit. So it works. It looks like it only came up in one position, not in others, but certainly if you want to get seedlings in, this perhaps is the way to go.